A first-in board is helpful in teaching children with autism to follow directions and learn new skills. It motivates them to do activities that they do not like and clarifies when they can do what they like. For earlier learners, they obtain reinforcer after following one-step directions that can then evolve into two-step directions. A first-in board lays the language foundation needed to complete multi-step directions and activities to use more complex visual systems. A first-in board is a visual display of something your child prefers that will happen after completing a task that is less preferred. It comes in different formats and can be verbal or visually prompted.